Bird's nest right up there. But welcome to Cathedral Canyon in Nevada. It's actually Clark County. I'd say it's actually Las Vegas, really, which is strange. The Las Vegas border like comes all the way out here, really, to California. So, and this is just a strange place where people have set up a bunch of weird shrines and holes in the walls. Looks like they had a pool here. Actually, it looks like there's been plaster or concrete sprayed against the wall here. It's really strange looking. Sermon on the Mount. Like an alien, huh? Crazy crows, what the heck? Yeah, you can see all the plaster that they sprayed on here. Built a whole pool, looks like. I have no idea what's up with the crows. Feel like I'm in a Stephen King movie or something. Weird holes up here. There's like rebar built in there. You see the rebar? I can also see wood, nails. So weird. Rebar in there. You can see where it's all falling down. Look at that, that piece looks like it's about to fall down. And this is the end of the canyon, Cathedral Canyon. What that is. Jacket. Jackets right there on their beanie. What the heck? What's going on? Someone just left their clothes here. A bird's nest is up inside of one of those little inserts. Some stairs here. Been out for snakes. It's actually hot today. What that leads to. Might as well try to see everything here. Concrete pad. What What's your problem, Crow? Huh? Don't make me. This place looks like it gets hardcore when it rains. What that is. Can you see in there? It's funny because I can stick the camera up in the hole. There's the end. All right, let's make our way down farther here. There's like a shrine up there. Shrine to nothing. There's nothing left. Yeah, look at that. It's like a rock shrine there. A hole in the canyon. We've got some stairs built up here. Someone had a concrete pad going on for something. Watch out for snakes right now because it's really hot. What is in there? Wonder if you can see in there. It's funny. Steep, but look at that hole over there. That is trippy. Oh, something lives in there. Shine a light in there, maybe. I didn't think to bring a light here. Yeah, that's not working at all. Hopefully you got to see what's in there. Because I can't see. Okay. Keep moving here. Rebar everywhere. That rebar, you gotta be careful of that. See a plane up there flying. See the contrail coming from Vegas. Christ of the Andes, this says. Weird, I just got a smell of water. Let's see how it's built there with the rebar in there. Some fence up here. Entrance to the canyon's down there for real. We kind of came in a different way. Looks like they had stuff hung up in there. See the hanger? That is like a coop right there. Christ of the Andes. There's something up in here. Mexico. It's like a good place for some coyotes to be or something. I get really pissed if you come back here. Yeah, I don't like all these crevices when it's snake time. Though I don't see any coyote footprints necessarily. Put a bunch of special rocks in there or something. Look at those rocks, they're just hanging from a fence. Oh, is that a military plane? Look up there. Is that like a C-130? Looks like it to me. Hello, military plane. Something like that. C-170 or C-130 something. Oh yeah, definitely. All right. Don't seem to see any snake tracks either in here. Yet, for this year. I think you'd really see some fossils down in these layers. I'm not really seeing anything like that. Okay. What is your problem? What's your problem? Something dead up here or what? Oh, I see rat poos. I see the rat poo. But that is about it. Don't really see any coyote footprints. I'm not seeing any snake tracks yet. Interesting layers in the dirt. There's like a hidden area up there, it looks like. See a footprint. Yep. I see footprints coming from this. There's nothing in there though. What's the back of that statue? Looks like someone's just tracking out here in their tennis shoes. Making our way to the what would be the entrance. Interesting, that one layer in there. See that? Oh. See that layer? Looks different than everything else. Hello. Okay. Hello. That's weird. I tried to put wood in there. You can see the wood sagging now, though. It's hot today. I'm a little sweaty. Okay, hello. It's like a bunch of animal feces on the ground. Probably don't want to move it around and breathe in it. Oh, there's some pipes in the wall. What the heck? Why would we do that? That's strange. Is that electrical in the wall right there? It is. See some wires. Okay, let's see around this corner here. I think there's a hole in the ground. Is that where a toilet was? Oh, it's so weird. I see a pipe over there too. It's all collapsing in on itself. This looks like they used some type of drywall. It wasn't proper for the application. Pretty strange, huh? Okay. What are you doing, crows? Huh? Huh, crow? They're just watching me. They're sitting there watching me, like Stephen King style movie. Here's the entrance here. There's the entrance to Cathedral Canyon. Clark County, Las Vegas. See the old cars parked up there. And then back out this way is how people would normally enter, probably. Down there's that's actually California, those mountains over there. The border to California is just through that lake bed over there. So there you go. Huh. There's a wire up there for a light, huh? Wow. They wrote historic site on there. Looks like they actually had a gate, but no moss. All right, so that's the tour, Cathedral Canyon. Hope you enjoyed it, and I don't really know what else to say. It was quite interesting. I've never seen anything like that. It's a little strange, actually. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the crows that followed me around. And just looking through this little site here, if you look on Google Maps, Google Earth, you can find this and come check it out for yourself. I hope you all enjoyed the video.